Tulip fields have started blooming in the Netherlands. See some footage here from a few early bloomers in early April in the Dronten in Flevoland region, around 70 kilometers northeast of Amsterdam. In around 3 weeks, most fields here will bloom. Mid-April is the peak tulip bloom season. The tulips in the open fields are always grown for their bulbs. The flowers once bloomed are culled in a few days to prevent nutrients getting used by the flowers, so the bulbs can grow bigger under the ground. The Netherlands exported around 115 million euros worth of tulip bulbs in 2022. Once bloomed, the workers walk in these fields to spot if some different colored tulips have grown to destroy them to ensure the same colored tulips grow in that batch. They also use poison liquid to put in the broken plant, so the bulb becomes dead to ensure the bulb does not affect other tulips. Many of the workers are from Poland or Ukraine region and can earn around 2,000 euros per month as a contract salary. Tulips bulbs are planted in October and they bloom in March. And once flowers are culled once they bloom, the bulbs grow underground for around 2 more months before being taken out. The bulbs are then sorted and exported. 20 workers can work in these fields that grow 20 to 25 million flowers usually. fields shot here are early bloomers because they were covered in transparent plastic sheets to create the greenhouse effect. Otherwise, the plants bloom around the end of April in this region. Plastic covering is expensive, so very few farmers use it. But early growth also brings better money in the market. The tulips in open fields are always grown for their bulbs, while the tulips in the greenhouses are grown for their flowers. The bulbs are used to create flowers by planting them for gifting, bouquets, etc.